Okay, today what I'm going to be showing y'all is a gear board rack that you can put your kart gears on. So basically what I did was I bought a metal pegboard from Michael's craft stores. You can probably get it in different locations, but decided to go with a metal. Would be more durable. I know those wooden pegboards, if they get any type of moisture on them, they'll kind of swell up on you. So I went with a metal one. It's I think it's a 24 by 30 or something like that. It's white. I like everything white. So you can tell, white go-kart, white pegboard. So the gears, they go all the way from like 53 to 74 or something like that. I got up to a 72. I'm missing a few, so I numbered them. I took a label maker and I numbered each gear, so I know where they go. As you can see, so I took a 1/4 inch carriage head bolt, stuck it on the backside, stuck it through the hole, put a washer right there on the face of the pegboard. Then I took a 1/4 inch nut and tightened it up against there so it stays straight. The 1/4 inch bolts I used were probably 3 inches. You could probably get by with 2.5 inches unless you have multiple gears, of course. So basically it's a wing nut that holds those on. I'll try to zoom in. So it's a wing nut that you use to kind of tighten them up there. So take the wing nut off, take the gear off, and then put your wing nut back on there. Holds it in place. You get done with your gear. I always try to wipe mine off so they're not greasy, oily, putting them back up against that white pegboard. But yeah, it's pretty nice setup. It gives you more organized, know what you got to work with. So the gears, I need a few extras if anybody's got some that want to donate. I can swap out with you. I got a few extras of 54s and some other gears, as you can tell. But yeah, if you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, share the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.